5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, I'm Clarice and today I'm going to talk about one of the latest Instagram new feature. If you haven't started using it, now it's time to start. So there is this new feature called the Countdown Stickers feature, which you can add to your stories. 3 ways that you can leverage on and create more buzz and fun around your business. 1. If you have a new product launch coming up, you can set it up as a sticker, countdown sticker. So the countdown sticker is based on your time zone. So for example, if you are having like a new product launch on January 1st, and today is like the 29th, so you want to set it like in 2 days time. So people will get excited about it, so when you actually launch the product, there will be enough buzz and you will be able to spread this message more easily. Tip number 2, if it's your birthday, you can do that as a countdown and people can be notified when that happens, so people can get around having the chance to interact with you, sending you birthday messages. Allows you to build and strengthen the relationships you have with them. If you come up with birthday specials for them, so you can use that as like a countdown and also to help to raise the profile of your services and products. And tip number 3, if you're running like a special campaign or competition, you can also create this countdown notification so people will know that that's time to start joining in the competition when your competition starts. So it will be a very effective marketing campaign. So to sum it up, you can use the countdown sticker to notify people when you're having a new product launch or for like a special birthday treat, special competition that you're running. So there's 3 different ways you can use it. What you can also do is you can actually customize the color of the sticker, so you can tap on it and select a sticker that could be your brand color or something that complements the photo. So that's completely customizable. You can actually set a countdown right down to the hour and minute. I hope that's really useful. So what do you think of this tip? Have you tried using the countdown sticker yet? Are you finding success with it? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you. So if you enjoyed this video, tap on the red subscribe button, tap on the notifications bell, so you will never miss out on any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.